This is the MAGEASY Sapphire Camera Lens Protector, but what's really unique and special about this is that it also features titanium alloy, which will match perfectly with your new iPhone 16 Pro or 16 Pro Max. So if you're looking for one of the best lens protectors, and this is definitely a lens protector you should check out. Now right in the back we have more details of how the lens protector is made here. We can see it has 3 coated layers and 2 fixation process. So it does feature anti-reflective coatings and an anti-glare film as well. So really excited to see how this is gonna look, and it should be also very easy to install here. So let's go ahead and open this up. You see right inside the box we do get a nice insulation kit, and here is the actual camera lens protector here. All right, there we go, guys. This is the insulation frame here, so they make it very easy to install. So let's go ahead and first open up this insulation kit. So they're gonna give us a nice wet wipe, microfiber cloth, and some dust removal sticker as well. First thing we're gonna use is the wet wipe, and we want to make sure we clean our camera lens all around here. Now it's important to know that these only cover the lenses themselves, not the whole frame. Then we're going to use our microfiber cloth and we're going to dry off that wet residue. And finally, you want to grab one of these dust removal stickers here. You can use a nice skinny one. And you want to make sure there's no lint on top of the camera lens here. You can always just go right on top of the camera lens, just making sure there's no lints. Once you confirm there's no lens on your camera lens, go ahead and grab in your camera lens. And all we have to do here is remove the adhesive. And we're just going to match the frame with the camera. And then we just apply pressure. And after that, we should be able to just remove it. And just like that, it was very easy to install. So let's take a closer look. We see right over here, it matches the titanium black iPhone 16 Pro Max, which is awesome. Now they also have the different colors matching each of the colors of the iPhone 16, such as desert titanium, natural titanium, and even white titanium. And I love the attention to detail, and they are using titanium alloy as well. That's what makes the price of these a little bit higher than their standard aluminum camera lens protectors, and also a more premium price versus other camera lens protectors that you can probably find for under $10. I mean, this is going to be a nice premium lens. So if you have a Pro series, you definitely want a really high quality lens protector. You can see here, it looks absolutely beautiful here. So the 16 Pro does not have any type of lens protector, while the Pro Max, of course, has that MAGEASY Sapphire camera lens protector. And you can definitely tell that this one has the protector because you'll notice some black line film surrounding the circle versus not having it at all. You don't really see that. But overall, it's really hard to tell. And you can see on the side profile over here, the 16 Pro, of course, doesn't have no protector, but on the Pro Max, we do have some nice protection over there. So that's going to play a huge role in terms of your camera lens protector here. So again, the benefit of this type of camera lens protector is that you don't have to worry about any type of case compatibility. So for example, this is a MAGEASY Odyssey stand case here, and obviously it is fully protected. Some camera lens protector that encircle the whole frame might be incompatible with certain cases. Sometimes your case might not go all in depending on how tight your case is. So having just the lens protected, for me, I personally prefer. Really hard to see here, but you can also see on this lens here, we have MAGEASY Ti64. Now that's the material that's being used for the titanium alloy on these, and they do feel really premium as well. And I love how it matches with your iPhone. Now, of course, you don't have to get the same color matching your phone. You can just get whatever color you want. So if I wanted these to be a desert titanium, I can do that and mix and match. That's a cool thing about these lens protectors, is that you can always mix and match, or you can match it perfectly with your iPhone. So if you guys have a 16 Pro or 16 Pro Max, then I highly recommend checking out the MAGEASY Sapphire Camera Lens Protector with titanium alloy to match that beautiful titanium color of your iPhone 16 Pro Max or 16 Pro. Now, I also have a 16 Pro in white titanium, so I definitely need to get one for this. if I want that beautiful protection. Again, not the cheapest camera lens protector, but if you're looking for a great high quality lens protector for a phone that costs $1,000 or more, then in my opinion, the price of this is worth it. I recommend it, guys. Firewolf out.